Good morning and welcome to Green J Landscaping, Landscapes for Better Living. And here we are at our newest landscape construction project. What we did is we looked at what used to be an old auxiliary parking area. The good news is there was a curb cut here, which means there was an existing driveway way back when. So somebody just basically put gravel here. So over the course of years, gravel disappeared. We had mostly mud, dirt here. So the water would come in off the street through the curb cut, run across the neighbors, and contribute to flooding in the basement. This is a flood-prone flood zone in this area here. So one of the benefits of having this curb cut is we don't need a permit. We called 1-800-DIG as required by law and had utilities marked, and that's what all of this scribble is, which will go away over time. And so we talked to the building department, let them know that we had marked out the footprint of the driveway, we had the utilities marked, and they required a permit. Please let us know, we'd be happy to comply. So what we did here, we had a depressed grade. So basically, the water would fill up here, puddle, and then go next door. So we took soil from the front here and put it in the back. A new fence was installed, and there was a depression back here. So we elevated that with the recycled, repurposed material that we had available on site, as we are wont to do, being a green landscape ecological company. We lined the driveway with stone, some stone on site, some stone we purchased, so we could make our own item 4. We'll show you the other driveway, and what we had is we had a lot of existing gravel in a great depth in the other driveway, same property. And we repurposed that, moved that over here, created this base, then got some stone dust and made our own item 4 by incorporating the stone dust into the 3/4-inch gravel. What we're doing is we put this stone from the walk so you can step out from the driveway onto here and go up to the house. So this is typical of something that we like to do, and it requires a lot of handwork. We reused some of the river rock that was on site just to dress up the corners, and we have irregular flagstone slabs. In this case, colonial garden path. And now we're creating the steps and the walk to the fence. The boulders are to dress it up and make it more naturalistic. Same event, same project here. And what we had is some very deep 3/4-inch gravel, native gravel. So what we did is we moved quite a bit of this to create the other driveway. And all of this is helping to make this sustainable longevity. Okay, so this will keep for quite a few years. What they did is over years, they just kept throwing more gravel on top of it. But this is going to be resurfaced with a 3/8-inch native gravel, the decorative gravel. What we also did here is we have a plastic curbing that we installed to separate the gravel so the gravel doesn't migrate into the landscape bed. We left about a 2-inch reveal here. We're going to put in a landing here, which will give us another landing to enter the house. By elevating the grade, we put a window well in so we could have the water drain here, shift here, you can plant in front of this, edging here. We have an ideal little curb cut because there was a walkway here. We took out the existing concrete walkway with the old slate in cement, and we placed these pre-cut 2x2 bluestone pieces. These are 2 to 3 inches thick, so they won't crack in freezing and thawing. They're on a bed of stone dust. So it's nice, uniform, easy to work with, and gives us a little more formal rectilinear feeling since we already had this 2x2 in. Then what we did is we reconstructed this. This is all crumbling brick, so we repointed this, put in a bigger landing, put in additional steps, and with our nice little square in a circle. Okay, this is a signature little uniqueness. Each masonry job we try to make a custom touch out of it, and that works for me, and that's fun. If you like what you've seen, check out our website, greenjaylandscaping.com.